Well, we got out a package. All right, let's check it out. Oh, good doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing or unbagging video. Today we have something from Sly Tactical. Feel free to check them out. They have a large variety of items. Sly Tactical. So let's go ahead and get you out of the way. Thank you. And for sake of time, I started cutting this open. So continue. And let's see what's inside here. Package. Paper wadding. And that appears to be it. So Sly Tactical makes their items to order. So you can choose from a variety of options depending on what type of item you order, which could be the type of buckles, type of material used, and then from there, other accessories that can be added on. So these are some of those accessories that were made to order. So let's go ahead and go through these little staples here. Try not to jab ourselves. Go ahead and take out the center one. Let's take them all out. Okay. The third one's dangling. All right. So what we have here are three types, two types there. Okay. So what these are open QD leads, and they say for use with existing QDs. You can see each of them have been bound up by these tough black bands here. So I have 8 of these to start off with. These are kind of a olive drab color, and that was what I was going for. Hard plastic buckle, and then as they're stitched on to order, has the way it goes through this pass through. You have a loop here, which could then go on to, say, a sling swivel or some other connection point. So 8 of those. Next up, got 4 of these in Coyote. You can see they're set up the same way. Buckle, strap attachment, and then also this pass through, which gives you a loop there. And last up, 4 of these in Multicam. And you can also choose the color of the buckles as well. So if you want to match specific setup of environment, equipment, etc. So say you had some open sling point, then you could loop that into there and then put it right through the pass buckle. But these are all from Sly Tactical. Just happen to have a sling from them, so you have a logo to look for. Sly Tactical. This is actually one of their Tactical Rifleman TR1 slings. And you can see how they have the ability to hook one of these up, and then this sling can be put on, say, a legacy style of sling swivel with the bar across there. And comes right off. Let's say you had a different colored sling, you want to match it up with brown. You can do it with one of those, or you had a multicam one, likewise, like so. But quick unboxing, unbagging video, something from Sly Tactical. Feel free to check them out. Large variety of items. Sly Tactical. This has been another unboxing, unbagging video. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We also do show and tell videos on vintage milsurp tools and expanded topics. We do a selection of book review, media reviews, and a series called Curios for the Curious, videos on more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you next time.